Hey guys, I hope you have wonderful day. Today I am going to show you how to apply AdSense. This will be real time process and this is my website. Currently I have 15 articles. Also I create required pages. I already have video about that. Okay, so currently I didn't get much traffic to my website. So if I check this as last 28 days, it will show 9 users. That means my traffic is really low. Okay, I will show you how I apply AdSense and is it fail or is it work, and I will show everything. I mean, sometime I will not get approved for the first time. Also I may not get AdSense for this type of website. Anyway, let's see how it done. Open a window and search Google AdSense. You will get this result and go to first result. Then click on get started and you have to enter your website URL here. So I copy my website URL and paste it on here. Make sure your URL with HTTPS, not HTTP. After that, enter your email. I will add my Gmail. If you need notification from Google AdSense, tick yes. If you don't need, tick no. Then click on save and continue. Then you have to select your country. I will select my country. Then you have to agree with term and condition. Then I click on create account. Then I redirect to this page. So I click on get this started. Okay, there has really important part. Never miss and never forget this part. One person can have only one AdSense account. That means if you already have AdSense account, don't create AdSense account for your name. You can create AdSense account for your family member or your friend's name, but never create multiple AdSense account under your details. So I will fill this information and see you in next step. Okay guys, I filled that information. Then I press submit. After that I redirect to this page. In here I have to copy this AdSense code and put it on my website header location. So to do that I have to go to my WordPress dashboard and I have to install a plugin. I go to plugins, add new, then search insert header, then install one of those plugins. So I will install the first one. Also you can directly edit header.php file on your themes, but this way is easy, so I use this way. So I use plugin to edit it. Okay, now the plugin is installed. So I will go to settings and insert headers and footer. After that I will paste that code in my website header section. Then I click on save. Okay, now we add our Google AdSense script to header section. Then I go to this Google AdSense page and click on I paste code in my site. Then click on done. Okay, there has error message called code is missing, so I have to save it again. I think code should be here. Okay, it's saved. So I will click on done again. It says code is missing, so I have to check it. I go to my website and right click. After that I click on view page sources. Then I press Ctrl F and paste that code in that search box. I saw the code but it says this code is missing. I will try it again. I add this code to my website but somehow it says I not add it. By the way, this is the step, so it will take 3-4 days to review your website and get AdSense approved. Maybe it will take 2 weeks, but usually I get approved from 3-4 days. We have to wait to get Google AdSense approved. Also, if there has any issues on our website, they will reject our website, or if there has no any issues, they will approve the AdSense. So in next video I will show what happened to my Google AdSense application. So this is the whole process. I hope you get valuable information in this video, and if you have any kind of question, let me know. I will create this kind of stuff in future. So if you interested in this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe. I will see you in next time. Bye bye.